Uploading more videos won't fix a small YouTube channel. I tried it, and it actually slowed my growth. Short, personal, pattern breaking. A lot of new YouTubers think the solution is simple. Upload more videos. More uploads, more effort, more hope. I thought the same thing. But here's the problem. Uploading more only helps after the system understands your channel. When you're small, every video teaches YouTube who your content is for. If you upload 5 videos about 5 different ideas, you're not speeding things up, you're confusing the algorithm. That's why some channels upload non-stop and still don't grow. What works better is fewer videos with one clear topic and small improvements every time. Same length, same audience, same message. That's what I'm focusing on right now. If you're a new creator, don't burn yourself out trying to post more. Focus on posting clearer. If this makes sense to you, you're exactly who this channel is for.